Hey YouTube, here's the new setup. That alternator ended up not working, and so did that one, strangely enough. I wonder if it had something to do with me welding while they was on the, I welded them on there. Well, I welded the bolts to hold them on. But, anyway, apparently welders kill alternators, but you can weld with the alternator. Yeah, it's oily mess around it. It blew out a little extra oil I had. Anyway, there it is. Got my control panel for field current on and off, and then field current on and off for the welder. Voltmeter. Dog, you shut up. I'm trying to make a video. You're aggravating me. Let me fire this thing up and show you what it does before that stupid dog starts barking. He's a good dog, he's just really dumb. That's nice and oily. Cool. It's a little bit on the cold side. It needs a bigger engine. It welds though. It'd be good enough for get you home. Anyway, it welds. Let's go see what it did. And that's what it does. Nice and shiny and blue looking. It ain't going nowhere. It penetrated. I thought it was cold, but it's a little cold, but then again this is really thick steel. So the welder works finally. And yeah, no bullcrap. These are the leads that go to it, and you can hear the motor bog down when I weld with it. So if the motor didn't bog down, it would work a lot better. I need a bigger engine. But anyway, thought you guys might enjoy that. Rate, comment, subscribe. Like I said, this only took a couple days tinkering to build. I welded everything up last night. So anyway, there you go.